Think you know the pencil? Think again. This everyday tool has a hidden life. The lead isn't lead, it's graphite, mixed with clay. More clay, harder pencil. The wood, fragrant cedar, cut into precise slats. They groove one, pop in graphite, then glue another on top. A tiny wooden sandwich. Next, a splash of color. Then, the handy eraser, often synthetic rubber, snapped on with its metal ferrule. Materials from continents away, brilliant engineering, all in your hand. From ancient times to modern art, the pencil's design has survived centuries. It's perfectly simple, perfectly effective. It's more than wood and graphite. It's the spark for every idea, every doodle, every big plan. So next time, give a nod to the humble pencil. It's a small marvel with a huge impact. Subscribe to Quick Quanta for more amazing facts.